Hello Excel users, in today's video we are going to unlock the power of the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. This nifty feature will turbocharge your productivity and help you work more efficiently. So let's get started. The Quick Access Toolbar is a handy toolbar located at the top left corner of your Excel window, right above the ribbon. It provides instant access to your favorite commands, making your most used functions just a click away. Default buttons on the Quick Access Toolbar. First, we have the autosave command. Once you have enabled autosave, Excel will automatically save your work at regular intervals in OneDrive. You no longer need to worry about manually saving your files. The save command is another handy one. With a single click, you can quickly save your Excel file, ensuring your work is always protected. Next up, we have the undo and redo commands. Made a mistake? No worries. These commands allow you to effortlessly undo or redo your actions. Customizing the Quick Access Toolbar is a breeze. Here's how you can personalize it to suit your needs and boost your workflow. Let me show you how simple it is to add more commands to the Quick Access Toolbar. First, click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. You will see a few options here. To add more commands, select More Commands option. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options dialog box, you will find a wide range of commands you can add to your Quick Access Toolbar. Simply choose the command you want to add and click the Add button. You will see it appearing in the right hand side list. Finally, click OK. Take a look at your Quick Access Toolbar and you will see the newly added command sitting there, ready to be used whenever you need it. That's it. Now we are going to learn how to add commands from the ribbon to the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. By adding commands from the ribbon, you can create a personalized set of shortcuts for the tasks you perform most often. Let me show you how easy it is to add commands from the ribbon to the Quick Access Toolbar. First, let's choose a tab from the ribbon where the command you want to add is located. Next, right-click on the command you want to add. A context menu will appear. In the context menu, select Add to Quick Access Toolbar and the command is now added to your Quick Access Toolbar. Take a look at your Quick Access Toolbar and you will see the command you added sitting there, ready to be used whenever you need it. Adding commands to the Quick Access Toolbar offers several advantages. It allows you to bypass the need to navigate through different tabs in the ribbon to find the command you want. Instead, you can access it directly from the toolbar, saving you valuable time. Moreover, having frequently used commands on the Quick Access Toolbar eliminates the need to remember their exact location in the ribbon. This makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. The Quick Access Toolbar is a powerful tool that offers quick access to your favorite commands. However, as your needs change, you may find it necessary to remove certain commands from the toolbar to maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Let me show you how easy it is to remove commands from the Quick Access Toolbar. Whenever you want to remove the command from the toolbar, just right-click on the command and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar from the options. Another way is just by unselecting the available commands from the drop-down list. You can also remove the commands using More Commands option. Start by clicking on the small drop-down arrow located at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. This will open a menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select More Commands. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options dialog box, you will find a list of commands currently added to your Quick Access Toolbar. To remove a command, simply select it from the list on the right-hand side. Next, click on the Remove button and finally click OK. The command will be removed from your Quick Access Toolbar. Take a look at your Quick Access Toolbar and you will notice that the command you removed is no longer there. Your toolbar is now decluttered and ready for optimal productivity. Removing commands from the Quick Access Toolbar offers several advantages. It allows you to maintain a clean and organized workspace, keeping only the commands that you use frequently. Change the order of the commands in Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to change the order of the commands, go to Excel Options and select a command on the right and use the up and down arrows to rearrange their positions. Don't forget to click OK after rearranging the order. Now we are going to explore how to change the location of the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. This handy feature allows you to customize the placement of your toolbar, making it more convenient for your workflow. By default, the Quick Access Toolbar is positioned at the top left corner of your Excel window above the ribbon. However, you have the flexibility to move to a different location to suit your preferences. Start by clicking on the small drop-down arrow located at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. A context menu will appear. In the context menu, select Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon option to move the toolbar below the ribbon. Once you make the selection, you will notice that the Quick Access Toolbar now appears below the ribbon, providing a different visual arrangement. Keep in mind that the context menu offers two placement options, such as Show Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon and Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. Changing the location of the Quick Access Toolbar can enhance your Excel experience in several ways. It allows you to position the toolbar in a location that is more accessible and convenient for your workflow. Now we will be discussing how to import and export Quick Access Toolbar customization settings in Microsoft Excel. This useful feature allows you to save and transfer your personalized toolbar setup across different devices or share it with others. Let's start by looking at how you can export your Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. Right-click anywhere on the Quick Access Toolbar to open the menu. Now select Customize Quick Access Toolbar option to open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options dialog box, you will find a section called Customizations. To export your customization settings, click on the Export or Import button located in the lower right corner of the dialog box. A new dialog box will appear with two options. Select Export All Customizations to export your entire Quick Access Toolbar setup. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the exported file. Give it a name and click Save. Congratulations, you have successfully exported your Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. The file you saved contains all the necessary information to replicate your setup. Now let's explore how to import Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. In the Excel Options dialog box, click on the Export or Import button located in the lower right corner. In the new dialog box, select the Import Customization File option. Browse to the location where you saved the exported file. Select it and click Open. Fantastic! You have successfully imported your Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. The toolbar will now reflect your previously saved setup. Reset Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. Sometimes you may want to start fresh or revert to the default configuration of the toolbar. Let me show you how simple it is to reset the Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. In the Excel Options dialog box, you will find a section called Customizations. To reset the customization settings, click on Reset button located in the dialog box. A confirmation dialog box will appear asking if you want to reset the Quick Access Toolbar. Click Yes to proceed. Congratulations, you have successfully reset the Quick Access Toolbar customization settings. The toolbar will now revert to its default configuration. Resetting the Quick Access Toolbar customization settings can be beneficial in several scenarios. It allows you to start fresh or undo any unintended changes you made to the toolbar. By resetting, you can return to the default configuration and then customize the toolbar again based on your evolving needs. And there you have it. The Quick Access Toolbar is a game changer in Excel. By customizing it with your most used commands, you can streamline your workflow, boost your efficiency, and save valuable time. So go ahead and take advantage of this powerful feature. Tailor it to your needs and watch your productivity soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy Excelling!